Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 108, B is 105, C is 100 and D is 98. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve this any arithmetic expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parentheses, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, then you have to solve after the bracket that part. Step number 3, so you have to solve division and multiplication. What you will do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. One by one, you have to solve each operation. You will go left to right and find out which operation it can be, either division or multiplication. So you have to solve that part first. And similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all brackets. So first we have this bracket, which is 32 minus 22. So first of all, we will solve this one. So 32 minus 22 equals to 10. And multiply by this part, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 32 minus 22 equals to. Now move forward step. Again, we have bracket number 2. We will solve this one. This 10 multiplied by 36 divided by 4 equals to 9. And plus 8 raised to power 2, we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 36 divided by 4 equals to 9. Now move forward. Step number 2, find out order of operation or exponent. So we have this exponent power in our expression. So here we will solve this one. So 10 multiplied by 9 and plus 8 raised to power 2 means 8 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 64. And here we will give the reference 8 raised to power equals to. Okay, now move forward. Step number 3 is find out division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So here we have 10 multiplied by 9 is equals to 90. Plus 64. So 10 multiplied by 9 equals to 90. Now move forward. We have here two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 154. So the answer of the given expression is 154. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.